Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix desktop mouse issue. So before starting the video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So to solve this issue, first go to system settings, then click on keyboard, then change input source to show emoji and symbols. Then go to accessibility, click on pointer control and turn on mouse keys. Now adjust your cursor movement and click OK. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.